Hello and welcome to Jumbula tutorial videos. Today we're going to be reviewing the custom report. So once you're in your season and you click on reports, you'll see that one of these options is the custom reports. Once you're on this section, you'll see that you have two plus signs here on the top. The one to the right is called the add profile report, and the one right next to it, it's called the add registration report. Basically, this one is connected to your online forms and the standard questions that you're collecting. And here you'll have additional information if you have added, let's say, custom questions, or if you want to basically add any other more information to this report. So just to give an example, if I click on the plus sign, you'll give this report name. Let's say we just call it profile for now. And you'll see the way this works is it's a pick and choose, so you're able to just check the boxes with information you need. Let's say you just need the first name and last name, and maybe the medical information, and so forth. So basically it's a pick and choose. You'll be able to check all the boxes that you need. Once you save this, you'll always be able to come back and add or remove questions as you need. So once I click save and continue, now you'll see that this report and the criteria you've selected is ready to go. All you need to do is then click run, and you'll be able to run the report. Now if we go to the second option, this one's called the add registration report. Let's just call this one custom, and you'll notice that in this case you have similar questions, but if you've added anything that's considered a custom question, let's say that you've added a particular section for t-shirts or anything outside of our standard questions on the online forums, this will be available under this type of report. And if you go all the way to the bottom, you'll also see that you have this section called more information. So you, along with this report, you can select things like, let's say you want to look at the balance, lower total discounts, order amount, paid amount, and so forth. So you'll notice you have a series of additional questions that you can save at this point. So again, in this case, I'll click save and continue. Now you see that you have two different reports. All you need to do to run them is go back to your custom reports, click run. It'll ask if you want to do it for all programs or for a selected program. And then from here you can run the report. As usual, once you've run the report, and you can view it here on your background, if you need to, you can then go ahead and export this out to an Excel sheet. Hope this helps, and have a great day.